By the way, today is her birthday, and on her birthday, she risked her life in front of the horses.
I was very scared.
Oh my god, look at the view! Wow, how this beautiful place is all golden right now. Look at this place. Let's get to the pool then. Cheers, once again, happy birthday, my lady.
To Cappadocia.
So we are here at a horse stable. This is our playground. That how it looks. We're gonna take a walk in between the horses. The background, that's a cameraman, and all the horses. If you see, they are on our way for the shoot. So that is lovely, man. Look at these horses. Wow. Devarshi, how does it look?
It's amazing. Very different experience.
Yes, let's get done with it.
गाइस हम लोग आज आए हैं हॉर्स के साथ शूट करने के लिए. दिस एक्सपीरियंस इज़ लाइक अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. आप बीच में से चलते हो और हॉर्स आपको क्रॉस करते हुए भागते हैं. बेसिकली हॉर्स भागते हैं, उसके ऑपोजिट को आप उनको थ्रू देम यू जस्ट वॉक. एंड आई एम श्योर यू गाइस मस्ट हैव सीन दिस एक्सपीरियंस अ लॉट. हम लोग तो कर चुके हैं अकेले. मुझे डर लग रहा था, मैंने अनुज के साथ किया, अनुज ने अकेले भी किया. सो दिस आर द हॉर्सेस एज यू कैन सी. और हमारे बाद कोई एक और लड़की शूट करने वाली है, तो आई विल जस्ट शो यू कि होता क्या है.
How was your day?
Day was fabulous, like every day in Cappadocia. It's going amazing. We are doing every day. We are doing like different experiences that we are coming to Cappadocia itself is like a totally different experience than what people usually do. Very different, out of the world experience. You will like it because it's something that you have never seen before. The hot air balloons we have never seen before. Caves, formations, every panorama. And today we did something really amazing that you must have seen point in the vlog. So the horse shoot with the horse, through the horse, was amazing. After that we had an amazing time in our suite, Mystic Suite. Of course in Maldives you get to enjoy a lot because you stay in the villa, but if you travel to any other city we hardly stay in the hotel. But this is the first time we enjoyed our suite. Like last night also we enjoyed our suite. Like we went to our private pool, we went to our jacuzzi. Today also we did the same thing after we came back from the horse shoot.
By the way, today is her birthday, and on her birthday, she risked her life in front of the horses.
I was very scared. See,
Daring
I know
thing she
I
has
will
done.
not die, but I'm very scared that I might hurt. They might hurt me, and in the process, मेरे face पे लग जाएगा, and which is my bread and butter.
But she did
That's
it.
why I'm
The
scared
rest
of
is
them.
history. She did it not even once, she did it twice. She did it twice. And
We did two different
variations.
concept.
Yeah.
Of course, without Anuj तो मैं करती नहीं, बट हो गया दोनों टाइम किया. बट इट कपल कंटेंट इज ऑल्सो सोलो कंटेंट. ऐसा मुझे कुछ चाहिए नहीं. हॉर्सेस के साथ पिक्चर्स खींचा, हॉर्स ने मुझे किसी किया दोबारा.
So her birthday is just getting better and better. The horse got kissy Debashri, and then Debashri ran and stood in front of the horse. Not
And I asked for a baby horse, they gave me a baby horse also.
Yeah, and that's the one who licked Devashri on the hand, and she is smiling from ears to ears. So I think her birthday is so far is going good.
And now we are having lunch
Lunch.
at Museum Hotel. We are
Yes.
having our meals here only because we didn't go to the local places at all, apart from tours, you know. Look at the olive and the way they have
Yeah,
presented.
the olive here is so tasty. I mean, I had olives at so many places, but the taste of olives that they have here, it's mind blowing.
And the way they have presented it, choice of plates.
And you always get breads when you are in Turkey and Jordan and many places, but
Many
bread
places.
is
I
they
mean, all
serve.
over Europe and
By the way,
Gulf
this
and
is served to eat so you can clean your palate before you start with your soup. So Debashi, please
yeah,
help
I will
yourself.
have it. But next we have like amazing sunset.
Sundowner place.
Sundowner setup which was not planned. Somebody, actually I am Cappadocia.
Being
The
very
owner,
nice and kind.
he arranged a special sunset dinner for us, and his property is also stunning. Obviously museum is different. It's a luxury #1
Boutique hotel.
boutique and 5-star property. His is like very small boutique hotel but luxury. But his one is located around the rocks.
Right in center of the sundowner spot is right
You will
around.
see it after this.
These were once caves, habitable places where people lived in, but now they are ruins. Okay, see, that's how it was. Now they are ruins. The one that you see, that's the Uchisar castle. We are not going up, but we are going at a much better place. The caves, which are still intact, they have rented to Airbnb, but as it grow older, it has tendency to fall down. That's the reason these are now vacant places, because they can fall anytime. That's our sundowner place, Anathelian Hotel, owned by I Am Cappadocia. He's a gem of a person. If you are here, definitely stay with him. He has only 7 rooms in his property, and his sundowner place can beat any boutique 5-star boutique resort. So we are here. This is our special place that we have kept for our sundowner thing, and today is Debashree's birthday also. So we thought to shoot at this place. Look at the backdrop. Look at this is the Uchisar castle, and lot of ruins and caves you can see where Debashree is sitting. Just look at her place. Oh my god, look at the view.
Look at the view, look at the setup.
Yes. Oh, happy birthday. Who's that? Birthday girl? God. Yeah, bad.
आँख ही नहीं खुल रहा था तो धूप है.
And look at it. So this is the place surrounded by caves, and it's a perfect spot for sundowner. The word Anathelian means a place for sunrise and sunset. So this place they have kept for the sundowner, and the rooms are facing the sunrise part. So that's the reason it's a mixture of sunrise and sunset place. That's the reason the word Anathelian means in Turkish. But hands down a very very beautiful place this is. Having birthday dinner.
Yes, look where I'm
Okay.
having a birthday.
Wow. वेलकम फ्रॉम कैपेडोकिया अगेन. हम एक बहुत ही अच्छे स्पॉट के ऊपर है, मैंने सुबह दिखाया था, बट वी आर स्टिल नॉट गेटिंग ओवर इट क्योंकि सन डाउन हो चुका है. एंड एज यू कैन सी हाउ दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस इज all golden right now. Debashri is as usual enjoying in her cabana in her special place. She is overlooking the Uchisar castle, which is right there, and we have a lot of friends and company also. See here. There are so many cats. So many cats. Cats. And the moment you get your food, they'll be all over you. Okay, so we are having an early supper. By the way, this is the normal feast. They serve with anything that you'll get order. So you'll get breads, you'll get salads, you'll get a lot of sides like curd or yogurt, a lot of veggies, some dips. So yeah, but me and Devashi always feels bad because we are not too much of a bread person. So look at this place. So this is happy birthday Debashri. These 3 twins we have yet to be named. He didn't name them yet. And then more rock formations and friends. Because we are eating, they just want to be friendly. Happy birthday! I can see you have cake. And you have 2 glasses of wine.
I'm on vacation.
It's your birthday. I can see it's so big.
I'm on vacation.
Oh my god. And I think you are all alone here? Ooh.
Yes, in the middle of caves.
Where are all the cats?
Caves of Cappadocia, Turkey.
Where are all your friends who were there a while back?
They are very lalchi cats. खाना खा के चले गए सब.
How about the cake?
Cake is delicious.
Who got you the cake?
Delicious. I am Cappadocia is doing everything. ज़रूरत नहीं थी, but he's just doing everything for us. Just a nice person. Cheers.
Happy birthday once again, my love. So what's the plan for the night?
I'm on vacation.
I know. What's the plan?
I will pack and then I will go to the hot pool.
Oh my god. Chalo, let's get to the pool then. Cheers. Once again, happy birthday, my lady.
to Cappadocia.
to you.